Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare vegetable biryani. You can prepare this biryani in various ways, but today I am going to show you a very simple method, that is preparing biryani in pressure cooker. Okay, let's see what are the ingredients we need. First we need good quality rice. Here I have taken basmati rice, 1 cup of basmati rice, and I washed it and I have soaked this rice in 2 cups of water for half an hour. Okay, then I have cut all these vegetables into small slices. Here I have taken aloo or potato, beans, cabbage and carrot. If you want, you can add capsicum as well. Then here I have chopped onions and green chilies. Then I have chopped tomatoes and mint leaves and coriander leaves. Then green peas. Wash these green peas and keep it aside. 3 to 4 spoons of oil. And I have taken this biryani powder, biryani masala powder. I prepared it at home. You can use the masala which is readily available in the market. 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 spoon of salt. We are using green chilies already, so I have taken less amount of red chili powder here. And here I have whole bunch of spices. I am using biryani leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, cumin seeds and few cashew nuts. Let's see the preparation method. First heat the cooker, then add 3 to 4 spoons of oil. After this oil is heated, add all the spices to this. Here I am adding all the spices: biryani leaves, cashew nuts, cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, everything. And fry this until cashew nuts turn into light brown color. So here my cashew nuts have turned into light brown color. Then to this I am gonna add onions, sliced onions. Fry this till onions turn into light brown color. Later I am adding green chilies. Fry this for 2-3 seconds. Then I am adding chopped tomatoes. Fry this again for 10 seconds. Okay. Then I am adding ginger garlic paste, half spoon of ginger garlic paste. And half cup of green peas. Fry all these ingredients for 5 to 10 seconds. To this now I am gonna add all the vegetables. I am adding beans, cabbage, potato slices, and carrot slices here. As you can see, this is so colorful. Fry all these ingredients for 10 to 15 seconds. Since I have added all colorful vegetables, this is looking very nice. If you want, you can add cauliflower and capsicum as well. After all these vegetables are fried, pour the water. Pour 2 cups of water. Let this boil for 10 seconds. Then I am gonna add half spoon of red chili powder. Since I already used green chilies, I am not using much chili powder. Then I am adding salt, 1 spoon of salt. If you want it more spicy, you can add more green chilies or more red chili powder. Then I am adding biryani masala powder, half spoon of biryani masala powder. Okay, let this cook for 5 seconds. Then I am going to add mint leaves and coriander leaves. After this water boiled for 10 seconds, I will be adding rice to this. So here I am adding rice. Mix all these ingredients well. Now close this cooker with the lid. After 3 whistles, your biryani will be ready. See, after 3 whistles, my biryani is ready and it is looking so nice here. Mix all this so that all the ingredients get mixed thoroughly and equally distributed. Now take this into a serving plate and enjoy this biryani with raita. I hope you like this video. Do try this and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching this video. For more delicious recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.